Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media less. First, identify your main social media triggers, like boredom or stress, to understand when you're most likely to open an app. Then, set clear daily time limits for each platform you use, perhaps 15 minutes per app, and stick to them. Finally, turn off all non-essential notifications to reduce constant interruptions and temptations to check your phone. Next, implement some practical digital boundaries. Consider deleting social media apps from your phone for a week to break the habit of mindless scrolling. Establish specific no-phone zones in your home, like the bedroom or dining table, to encourage present moments. Also, make an effort to engage in offline hobbies daily, dedicating at least 30 minutes to activities you enjoy without a screen. Cultivating mindful usage is key to reducing your social media consumption. Before opening an app, take a moment to reflect on why you feel the urge to check it. Observe your mood both before and after using social media to understand its impact on your well-being. Actively replace scrolling with productive tasks, such as reading a book or completing a small chore, to redirect your attention. To build sustainable habits, schedule specific times for checking messages and updates, perhaps twice a day for 10 minutes each. Take time to unfollow accounts that do not add value or make you feel inadequate, curating a more positive feed. Finally, actively find alternative ways to connect with friends and family, like phone calls or in-person meetups, strengthening real-world relationships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.